Each issue activity is associated with an event. For example, an event called Issue Created is triggered for each new issue. When the event occurs, Jira automatically sends an email notification for it. There are about 17 notifications like Issue Created, Issue Closed, and Work Logged on Issue. You can also create your own custom events if needed. The many project notifications are controlled by a notification scheme. Jira comes with one called Default Notification Scheme. That's associated to projects created. The screenshot shows the default scheme and its first 3 events. The Issue Created event notifies the current assignee and reporter for each new issue in the project. The Issue Updated event emails the current assignee, reporter, and all watchers for each change. Issue Updated includes changes to fields, attachments, and deleted comments. The Issue Commented event, however, handles new comments. Projects are not required to have a notification scheme. In this example, most projects use one, but the HR project doesn't. The HR team prefers a proactive approach instead of constant emails. Members of this team use boards, dashboards, and filter subscriptions to monitor their issues. Or maybe they've connected their Jira project to their chat program and receive notifications there. When's the last time your user said, "I wish I had more email"? Probably never. So these notification abilities should be applied sparingly. If you send a notification for every little action, users are likely to ignore them or send them directly to the trash. It's important to send the right amount of notifications for your organization. There are 2 additional notification settings to be aware of: user default settings and user profile settings. Here's some info about each by default. Users are not notified of their own changes. Usually people know what change they made and they don't need an email about it. Now, this is a global setting that only application admins can access. Check to see what your application setting is. You'll find it on the User Default Settings page in the System Admin area. There's also a notification setting in a user's personal profile. In Cloud, the setting is called You Make Changes to the Issue in Server and Data Center. The setting is called My Changes. This lets users override the global default with a different setting if desired. Sometimes I temporarily enable the option to test notification behavior, but then I quickly turn it back off again. I definitely don't need more email. Sometimes users don't receive messages they expect Jira to send. There are many non-Jira potential reasons. For example, outgoing mail is disabled application-wide. There's a problem with the mail server, or it's currently down for maintenance. There's a temporary connection issue between Jira and the mail server, or maybe connection details changed. The user's mailbox is misconfigured, can't receive external messages, or is full. There's a typo in or a different email address in the user's Jira profile. Jira messages are blocked or flagged as spam at the server or user level. Or mail client rules remove Jira messages from the inbox. Here are some Jira-related reasons. A Jira project doesn't have a notification scheme. The scheme is misconfigured, empty, or the user is not in the needed group or role. The user has disabled notifications of their own changes in their Jira profile, or the user expects a message that doesn't exist. For example, there are no notifications when watchers are added or removed. That's not a Jira feature, but sometimes users think it is. Other times a user does receive a message, but it says something generic and they overlook it. The message says Issue Updated, but they're expecting other wording. I've been using Jira since 2011 and I've encountered all of these scenarios. I've never experienced a case where Jira should have sent an email but didn't. The problem was always something else, like an issue with the mail server, the user's mailbox, or with the notification scheme's configuration. The trouble I've encountered was always traceable and reproducible. I haven't encountered any unsolvable Jira notification mysteries. As you can see, there are a lot of potential email issues to troubleshoot. Luckily, there's a Jira feature to check some of it. It's the notification helper. It uncovers why a user does or doesn't receive an email. After you've rolled out issues with the mail server and mailbox, use this tool to start an investigation. There are a few ways to get to it. First, go to the System page in the Admin area and look for the Notification Helper link in the left nav as shown. The link is directly under the Your Mission Helper link. Next, access the notification helper from a notification scheme. Look for the button at the top right in Server and Data Center. You can also use the admin menu in an individual issue. Next, let's try out the notification helper to see how it works. Here's a scenario. A user reports rebrand 1 was created, but they didn't receive an email about it. Let's use the notification helper to find the reasons why. Enter the user's name, the issue ID, the event to check, which is issue created, and click the form submission button. Here are the results. The notification helper shows the user does not receive notifications for this event because they're not the reporter or the current assignee. Mystery solved.